thanks for stopping by. I don't get any. I don't get any visitors uh, since I murdered my whole family, and well, that's the downside of that. But I'm all better now, and I'd like to lead a productive life, and I'd like to get out and do things. You know, uh, you know, more libraries, less prisons, because I could be very productive. I could, well, I could watch your kids when you're on a long weekend to Vegas. I could rent a room at Grandma's house. You know, when she rolls when she rolls out of bed, I'm big and strong enough to roll her back in, and I could I could cut your grass. You know, if it's self-propelled, and it's just uh, it's just not worth it for me to be in here anymore because you know I could be doing better things. Um, like I said, I'm all better now, and I could I could be a bus driver. I could a school bus driver. Yeah, I could be a crossing guard. You know, on the after midnight shift, and it's just well, like I said, I'm all better now. You know, I've had a few months of therapy, and um, I've seen I, I've seen the the way to go, and being in here isn't helping. You know, I could be out and helping society. You know, paying back my debts. Um, you know, maybe I can work a few shifts at that liquor store that I robbed. You know, um, you know, I mean, I could help them out a little bit. You know, but being in here is just it's not helping society. You know, I mean, I could be out. I could be doing things for you. Be I could be back in the neighborhood again, you know, where I belong. So I'm glad we had this little talk, and you know, maybe I'll see you some night, or you know, picking up your kids, driving the bus. Yeah, works for me.